Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain what is the types of relationships. In ER model, one component is relationship. So now explain what is relationship and what are the different types of relationship in ER model. So what is a relationship means it's the association between entity set. So for relationship, you are using one diagram that is rhombus. Rhombus symbol is used for representing relationship in ER model. The association between entity sets is known as relationship. Association or relation between entity sets is known as relationship. In ER model, R means relationship. So how many relationships we have? What are the types of relationships? There are 4 different types of relationships we have. Those are, number 1 is unary relationship, second one is binary relationship, third one is ternary relationship, fourth one is n-ary relationship. Unary means 1, binary 2, ternary 3, more than 3 is known as any number, that is n-ary relationship. So these are the types of relationships. Now we'll explain each and every one step by step. Unary relationship. Unary means 1, single. That means in this relationship, the association with only one entity set. The association with only one entity set is known as unary relationship. That means in this relationship you are participated only one entity set, single entity set. You are maintaining relation with only one single entity is known as unary relationship. Here, this is the entity set. In the previous video already explained, rectangle box is for entity set and your diamond box is rhombus is for relationship. So here only one entity set is there, relationship within only one entity set. It is unary. Example, person is an entity set. What is the relationship means? Married. So one person is married another person. So here how many entity sets are there? Only person entity set. One person is married another person only. So that is called as unary relationship. Second one is binary relationship. Second category of relationships is binary relationship. Binary means 2. We know binary means 2. So in this relationship, how many entity sets are participated means 2 entity sets are participated. So the association or relation with 2 entity sets is known as binary relationship. Association between 2 entity sets is known as binary relationship. So here one entity set, one more entity set. These 2 entity sets are related with one relationship. This is the rhombus is for relationship diagram. So this is the representation of binary relationship. 2 entity sets, one relationship. For example, employee is the one entity set. Employee. Company, where he works. Company is another entity set. So employee is one entity set. Company is another entity set. So employee works in particular company. So works is the relationship. So what is the relationship between employee and company means? Employee works in particular company. Second example, student is one entity set. College in another entity set. So the relationship between these 2 means student studies in that particular college. So the relationship is studies. So this is the binary relationship example. 2 entity sets are related with one relationship. Employee works in company, students are studies in particular college. Third relationship is ternary relationship. Ternary means 3. That means in this relationship, 3 entity sets are participated. 3 entity sets are participated in this relationship, that is called as ternary relationship. How to draw this relationship means Take any three entity sets. This is the entity set, rectangle box, second entity set, and third entity set. These three entity sets are connected with one relation. The relation diagram is rhombus. So this is the relationship diagram. All three entity sets are connected with this relation. So this is called as ternary relationship. Example, student. Student is the first entity set. That means this is the information about all the students. Second one is, this is the extra courses. Student is learn some extra courses outside the college. So extra courses is another entity set, and he is studying some particular class. So class is the one entity set. So all these things three are related with one example relationship studies. So student studies particular class and student studies extra courses. So in this relationship three entity sets are involved. Last relationship is n-ary relationship. What is n means? Here n is any number other than 3, because 1 means one entity set means unary, 2 means binary, 3 means ternary. Other than 3, anything, any number, that is called as n-ary relationship. Relationship that contains that association with more than 3 entity sets is known as n-ary relationship. N number of elements. N is any number. So more than 3, because up to 3 have some names are there, proper names are there. So more than 3, any value, that is called as n-ary relationship. So diagrammatic representation is, I will take here 4, n equal to 4. So first entity set, this is the relationship. Second entity set, third entity set, then 4 entity set. So in this example, I took 4 entity sets with one relationship. So this is called as n equal to 4. This is also known as quaternary relationship also. Quaternary relationship, because quarter means 4. Quaternary relationship means in this relationship it participated 4 entity sets. Now I will give some examples. Student entity set, that means it is the information about all the students. Second entity set is the previous example only, like extra courses, who's learned some extra courses other than the class subjects, and he's learned some extra activities also, like basketball, music, singing, extra activities, not only studies, and his studies is regular classwork. So student, what is the relationship of all these things means? Studies. Student studies is regular classwork, student studies extra courses, student learns some extra activities. So in this relationship there are 4 entity sets are there. All 4 entity sets are related with one relationship. So this is the relationships, types of relationships. What is the relationship? Types of relationships. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Thank you.